When you hear that, my viewers, the killer them make step and go bus out touch road head pan Pretoria Road off Maxfield Avenue. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that fit about plus gunman a pose with spliff in a mouth and Matic in a hand pan the media and being drop. The soldiers and the police them a say Arnett guard now get hot. So before me jump in at the reason and make on know what I go on, listen to this.
Contract for boil some soup. Me nah run back a PMP, me nah run back a Labour right. I'm a mutual person. Well, the person where did some forget licking on my face when the ear circle scandal. Them come at the meeting. Them see me I share the soup because me already get paid for boil the soup. So me just for come and share the soup. To come and share the soup, people. And me daddy I share the soup. People love the soup. Come back all 2-3 times. Soup when I boil good, people no come back 2 and 3 times. The person was there. Them was the one. The soup not taste good and no good meat in the soup. Let me tell you something. You can't stop purpose. You can't stop purpose. Because me not think me do nothing wrong what happened in the era circle. I come out for the people and make them see what I go on. And this for stop.
When you hear that, my viewers, Nadine right. This for stop. So you tell me say Alice still a follow up Nadine from the Hero Circle incident. Alice a no big woman. Me think say she move on already. I wanna tell me say, she still have up the woman, still a pray the woman a carry this to her grave. Nadine, no make them raise up your blood pressure, you know. Just remember this, you do the right thing. And nastiness, no matter what. See it ya, you get a little catering work. If you go make some soup for your event. So where Alice a do there, for you run remarks and attack this and attack that. As I say Nadine, you look good, no make them raise up your blood pressure. Some people who no see me, gunman with spliff in a mouth and big Matic in a hand pan the media, him forward from St. Mary. My viewers, the youth them last boy, you know, kill him dead him a killer, you know. And if squaddy them go look for him now and fling 5-9 ball in him head, you know, you hear him mother run out and a ball, you know. They even know say this our son a go on with pan the media, you know. So as I say, the youth them last boy, yeah. Them nah no sense, boy, yeah. Instead of them a run down for be somebody good in a life, them a run down for go lay down out a med rest and for go sleep and bunk a night time. Some people who no walk with me, see me, bing, killer them bust out him head in a Angola over in a Arnett garden. And now the Kingston Western Police and the members of the soldier them a say, the place look like it a get hot in a Arnett garden, you know. All type of man does a job, so you know, how what kind of ongoing war this a go on. As we say, no more people, jungle wild west, no one done can run them place here. So the man them a backly out, me I tell you no see how much youth job, no see how much youth a run out for them dance and general, and a lose them life in a gun war. Some people walk with me again, where we see touch road, get film head bus out on Pretoria Road off Maxfield Avenue. The killer them go make step. B9 ball and rifle ball did a fire. And when the smoke clears, I touch road that them find flat pan him face with B9 ball in him head. My people, everywhere the youth them turn boy in a battlefield, you know. Most residents of here live like a prisoner, you know. And them no they are jail, you know. Lock up in a them house or if you tan in a them yard, you know. The youth them no see say no war now win boy. Who no see say who not dead off. Who no see say who have to run way go run way. And who a go up and sell black a gun. Like who no blind. But as we say, you see you no plan no de boy have to fight crime. And every man a do them own thing. This a go keep on at my boy. Cause flooding the place with police and soldier, you know. Nah, solve nothing, you know. You know see man a drop on them face all when police they round the road and cross the road. So no think Zozo and curfew a stop this? Nah, stop nothing me I tell you no more viewers. That's why I'm telling you so you have to stay safe out there. Protect your own 3 points out there. Cause you see by the time JCF pull up, your marrow done get splash out already. Remember that. Some people. Until next time, stay safe out there. And you don't know the code of road. Life over death.